This is a low-context introduction to using taxonomy in Drupal. Imagine you're writing a blog and you want to tag your posts with various tags. Or say you have a site with different sections like news, entertainment, and sports, and you want your Drupal posts to fall within one of those sections. This is the job of taxonomy. Taxonomy is the practice of classifying things into categories, and in Drupal, taxonomy is a way of linking terms, taxonomy terms, to your content. These show up as links, and clicking the link will show you all the content tagged with that term. I can scroll down and see all the posts tagged lorem ipsum. Let's take a look at one of these articles. Out of the box, article has a tags field, where you can type any word or phrase. If it pops up in the autocomplete, you can select it and reuse an existing term. But if the term you entered doesn't match any existing terms, a new one will be created in the tags vocabulary. This is the practice of free text tagging, where new terms can be created on the fly. The other way of using taxonomies is as controlled vocabularies, where terms need to be created ahead of time. I've set up a field on basic page that uses terms from my genre vocabulary, and it is set to show this as a fixed list. Here you can only select one of the available terms, no freestyling. But because I'm an administrator, if I wanted to edit this list of terms, I have permission to do that at Manage, Structure, Taxonomy, and select the genre vocabulary. Here I can add new terms, as well as edit or rearrange existing terms. I can drag terms to the right to nest them under parent terms. If I wanted, I could go to Manage Fields and add additional fields to my vocabulary. This vocabulary already has an extra field, Authority Sources. This was added by Islandora for using taxonomy terms as linked data. Once my vocabulary is ready, I can connect it to a content type using a taxonomy entity reference field. This lets me choose which vocabularies should be made available, as well as whether new terms can be added on the fly. For more on using taxonomy with Drupal, see Chapter 6.5, Concept Taxonomy, on the Drupal User Guide. For more on taxonomy in Islandora, see Vocabularies on the metadata page in the Islandora documentation. To recap, taxonomy terms in Drupal are fieldable entities that are organized into vocabularies. Vocabularies are like content types and can include fields. And terms can be referenced either as free text tagging or as a fixed list.